Welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have a video featuring first impressions from a sunglasses brand called Ambassador that has reached out to me and asked me to look at their sunglasses. So without further ado, let's get started. So these sunglasses shipped from China. I did pay for shipping. They were packaged in a brown box wrapped up in bubble wrap. There was no case included, but I will say that they came in excellent condition. They were very well wrapped and secured. So my very first impression out of the box was that they took a lot of care to make sure that they reached the customer in pristine condition. There were no plastic things on the lenses and no case provided, but I'll speak more about that in just a moment. The audio I originally recorded was warped, so please excuse the voiceover. It may not match the screen. The two sets of sunglasses are from Ambassador. The first model is a leopard sunglass cat eye frame that retails for $54 US. It's called the Ava. And the second pair is the Danica. It retails for $34 US in the rose gold. The frames are very light and made of plastic. What I particularly like is that there is no branding or logo on the sunglasses. If you look through the lenses, it appears that they polarize and provide good UV protection. However, I would like to test them out before I know a little bit more. There is no case, and I thought it would come with one considering the price point, but you never know. They may be able to add it in the future. Here's a Modshot of the Ava. The rose gold color. You can see again on the side, no logo or branding, which I do really like. Looking through these, here's what the lenses look like. And I do want to say both of them do have a nose rest built into it. So my first impression is that they are pretty good quality. I do want to test them out with my contacts. I have a quick mod shot I'm going to insert after before I give an update, but I do like the way that they are vintage styled, and I do like the pattern. I would say they're priced a little high. If I were not being given these, then I probably wouldn't have ordered them, just because I'm not 100% sure. I do depend on these a lot when I'm driving, so we shall see. I'll update you in a few days. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.